Russian crew is stopped by accurate autocannon fire in Avdiivka. Russian losses are tremendous. And there is a lot of destroyed Russian equipment in Bakhmut, Andreevka village, filmed by Russian soldier. This is how a Ukrainian fighter is resting.
Это нахуй Купенс, блядь.
Video of loitering munition and possible FPV strikes on Russian Tor M2, Pantsir-S, and a Buk air defense transloader by Ukrainian SBU. A Pantsir-S air defense missile system was destroyed in the Donetsk region between June 15th and 20th, 2024 by a nearby HIMARS MLRS rocket strike, causing the system to burn out internally. The personnel were not injured. Several of these were destroyed over the past couple of weeks. Ukraine's armed forces ranked 4th in Europe and 18th globally in the 2024 Global Firepower Military Strength Ranking. It was considered 22nd in 2022 and 15th in 2023. This is the demilitarization of Ukraine made by Putin. 1602nd District Military Hospital morgue in Rostov-on-Don processed 13,691 dead soldiers from just 4 military units between February 2022 through May 2024. Leaked video of this morgue showing stacks of coffins in February 2024. Good job, Putin. Russian actress Tatyana Vasilyeva says that life in the country has only become better since the beginning of the war. In her opinion, the war has a very good influence on Russian culture and art. I think it will be interesting for all those who still think that Russian art and culture are out of politics.
И вместе с тем открываются театры, музеи, железные дороги, мосты. Продолжается жизнь. Понимаешь, вот что мне очень нравится, что это не та война, которая нас убивает, а та война, при которой, Господи, прости, мы начинаем смотреть на все иначе. У нас открываются глаза, и мы начинаем жить лучше, реально.
Yesterday, 10 Ukrainian civilians were released from Russian captivity. Among them are Nariman Gelyal, the first deputy chairman of the Mejlis, representative executive organ of the Crimean Tatar people. In September 2021, he was detained for participating in the Crimean Platform Summit. Nariman was later taken to an unknown destination. After that, he was forcibly moved to Russia. On the basis of a falsified criminal case, Gelyal was sentenced to 17 years in a strict regime penitentiary. While in captivity, the political prisoner wrote letters to Ukrainian people expressing his faith in liberation and victory. Monk Ivan Levitsky. Originally from Lviv region, he served in Berdyansk in the parish of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Ukrainian Greek Catholic Church. After the occupation of the city, he continued to pray with the congregation. On November 16, 2022, during a regular prayer in the center of Berdyansk, Levitsky was detained. Monk Bohdan Galeta is from Ivano-Frankivsk region. He served in Berdyansk with Father Levitsky, and together with him held services for believers under occupation. He was detained in the evening of the same day as Levitsky. Both monks were tortured. The 100th Separate Mechanized Brigade is currently creating new units and received new equipment to archive this. 2 weeks ago, they apparently also received Marder 1A3 IFVs according to footage published by Suspilna Ukraine. This goes in line with the latest deliveries of German military aid to Tver, Ukraine, as 2 weeks ago, the German government published the delivery of another 20 Marder 1A3s to Ukraine. The publication of the weapon deliveries by the German government is usually at least 1 or 2 weeks delayed. This makes them the 3rd Brigade confirmed operating the German-made IFVs after the 25th Separate Airborne Syczeslaw Brigade and the 82nd Separate Air Assault Brigade, and the first one operating them outside the Ukrainian Air Assault Forces. In mid-January, the 10th Army Corps published an image of a Marder 1A3, but there never was any confirmation of some battalion or brigade, which is part of the Army Corps, actually operating them. Although the 100th Separate Mechanized Brigade is part of the 10th Army Corps, we never saw footage of them operating the German-made IFVs until now. So there are still some open questions for me. Instead of 1,000 words, the British military sees off Ukrainian soldiers who have finished their training and are returning to Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.